As the new year begins, I just wanted to take some time out to say thank you for your business. I really appreciate all of your continued support over the last year. Thank you for your referrals. Thank you for allowing me to assist your clients with protecting their lifestyle. As the new year begins, there's a couple key strategies that I always recommend agents to take advantage of, especially to help them close their transactions and grow their business. Whether you're a real estate agent or a property manager, there's a lot of things that can impact your client's insurance, and you should know exactly how to overcome those challenges and solve those problems quickly for them. The insurance marketplace is very difficult, and this is still considered a very hard market. So there's some things that you should know in order to help you with your transactions or help your clients with the difficulty finding or placing their insurance coverage. We have seen the California marketplace expand, and more companies have come back into California and started opening up their property insurance products and programs. The California Fair Plan is still a primary option of last resort, especially in high fire areas. And we have seen some companies start to provide a little bit more availability in these high fire areas. Also, if you are working with clients that are having difficulty finding insurance, it's always good to work with an independent agent or somebody that has a large marketplace of insurance programs. There have been a lot of insurance companies that have decided to leave California, or companies that are still no longer writing property insurance in the state. So there's some things that you can do as a real estate agent or property manager to make sure that your clients have the best protection and make sure that they're controlling their insurance costs. As we've seen, insurance costs have been rising over time, and it's always a very, very good strategy to try to look for ways that people can reduce those out-of-pocket costs as insurance costs keep rising. Now, if you're a real estate agent, the best thing you can do to help your clients close smoothly and on time is to help them find the proper insurance for their new purchase. Whether you're a listing agent or a buyer's agent, there's things that you can do in order to ensure that your clients can find or obtain insurance coverage for their brand new home. If you're working with buyers, immediately start the insurance process early in the transaction. I usually recommend to buyer's agents, if they're looking at a prospective property, they should obtain a rate indication for the home, so that way their buyers understand the insurability of the property and also the cost of the insurance. If it's something that doesn't fit their budget, you may want to spend time looking for other properties that are more in line with their out-of-pocket costs. Now, if you're a listing agent, the best thing you can do is obtain an insurance quote once you take the listing. That's going to overcome any objections with the insurability of a property or what the cost of insurance is to any buyer that comes to look at that home. You've already solved that problem for the seller, and you can easily provide any buyer's agents or clients that are prospective buyers looking at that home with a validated insurance proposal. Now, property managers. A lot of real estate investors are having a very difficult time with their insurance. Many insurance companies have decided to discontinue their landlord protection programs in California or depopulate their books of business, which means they're getting off of risks that don't fit their underwriting criteria. It could be due to a number of different factors: older homes, properties without updates, prior loss history, frequency of claims, things like that. If one of your clients is losing their insurance coverage or their insurance company is no longer offering products and programs in California, the best thing you can do as a property manager is take a proactive approach when it comes to their insurance. Assist them with getting a validated insurance quote for their investment property and make sure it meets all of your necessary requirements. Many property managers are requiring their clients to add the property management company as additional insured. So make sure that the insurance company that they select meets those requirements and also provides the proper liability limits that you need. Many insurance companies offer an additional insured endorsement for property managers, but there are companies that will only offer the property manager to be added as additional interest. So make sure that if you are taking a client on, whether it's a new client or you're auditing your current client's insurance coverage, make sure that the property manager is added as additional insured and not additional interest. And if you don't have that necessary coverage, we have a large marketplace of insurance companies and products and programs that we can look at to assist you with those issues. So those are just a few reminders to help you close your transaction smoothly and on time and find your clients the right protection for their lifestyle. If you have clients that are having difficulty finding insurance or are losing their insurance coverage with their current provider, I put a link here to a form that you can fill out to help get them a validated insurance proposal. I can collect all the basic information I need, take it out to market, and provide a proposal with a couple options for their insurance coverage. Again, thank you for the business, Happy New Year, and I really look forward to helping you reach new heights. Thanks.